Oh, you can feel it in the air, literally.
Oh, look.
65 degrees this afternoon. Look, the beach is ready for you. Folks out there jogging, some people running. This is our camera looking out on North Avenue Beach from the top of the Hancock Tower. What a beautiful afternoon, Mike Kaplan.
Yes, and it's
don't blame them for being out there.
And it's not 30 at the beach and 65 inland. It's warm all the way up to the shore. Gorgeous. And it was beautiful last night. Full moon out there, and I wrote about this on my Facebook page. Connect with me there if you haven't already. But a young lady who went to my same high school, she's younger than I am, Leanne Johns, was out with her boyfriend. They got a nice telescope, and they took this picture of Saturn. I wrote about Saturn being very close to the moon. That was the bright star-like point in the sky. And if you had a telescope, even a small one, you can make the rings out. But they're using an 11-inch telescope. They use some kind of sophisticated image stacking software to make this picture. But you'll be able to see Saturn high in the east tonight as well. It'll be a little bit farther away from the moon, of course, but Leanne, thanks for sending that to me on Facebook. Look at today's high temperatures. One of the warmest days of the year. Waukegan maxing out there with a 67 at 65 at O'Hare.